Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Jack, and in this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about Mitolyn before deciding to buy it. I also have some important warnings to share, so make sure to stick around until the end of this video to avoid losing your money. Important warning: the first thing you need to watch out for is the website you use to purchase Mitolyn. Currently, this product is only sold on its official website. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to the official website in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. I'm here to give you an honest review, share my experience, and help you decide if Mitolyn is the right product for you. What is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a natural dietary supplement designed to support effective weight loss and promote overall well-being. It's formulated with scientifically proven ingredients to target the root cause of weight gain by enhancing metabolism and boosting fat burning. How does Mitolyn work? According to recent studies by Harvard scientists, the real reason behind slow metabolism is low mitochondrial levels. Mitochondria, found in every cell of your body, convert the food you eat into energy. Slim individuals typically have higher mitochondrial levels, which helps them burn fat more effectively. Mitolyn uses natural ingredients like Maqui Berry, rhodiola, amla, and others to increase mitochondrial levels, improving fat burning and metabolic performance. Key benefits of Mitolyn: boosts metabolism, helps burn fat faster by accelerating metabolic processes. Increases energy, keeps you energized throughout the day. Appetite control, reduces cravings and helps with better dietary habits. Enhances mental focus, ingredients like anthocyanins improve mental clarity. Supports overall health, helps maintain healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels. What's inside Mitolyn? Mitolyn is crafted with top-quality natural ingredients, including Maqui Berry, rhodiola, amla, schizandra. These components work together to boost mitochondrial levels and improve fat burning efficiency. Is Mitolyn safe? Absolutely. Mitolyn is made from 100% natural ingredients and is manufactured in FDA-approved facilities in the USA following strict GMP standards. This ensures the product is both safe and effective, with no harmful side effects.